Quality is a central part to any POD store owner's journey, which means that it's vitally important to us here at Printify, and it's why we have a dedicated team to bringing you the best quality products possible. The leader of that team is Yatin, and he's going to tell us about Printify's commitment to quality and how the new AIQC program is going to change the industry forever. Please welcome Yatin Bassi, General Manager of Quality here at Printify.
Hello, everyone. Welcome again to Amplified. It's so great to have all of you join us today. At its heart, print on demand is about creating beautiful products online for your customers, and no one likes buying low-quality products. Opening up your package just to find that there's a shabby print or something's wrong or you got the wrong item is just not bad, it's disappointing. And all it takes is for a customer to take that disappointment online. A negative review can create both disappointments for existing customers as well as new customers, and they can always move elsewhere. This is why we put quality at the top of our agenda at Printify. And what about all that time that you spend handling these complaints or resolving these issues? All this time, you could be working in creating new and beautiful designs, launching new products, or simply enjoying your life. And this is why we committed to the Printify Quality Promise. The Printify Quality Promise is the foundation of our promise to you to guarantee you a great experience. It's made up of 4 key components: transparency, highest standards, continuous improvement, and a delightful service. Now let's go through them one by one. Let's start with transparency. We give you all the information you need in order to select the right print provider for your store. As you can see, we provide dynamic scores that are made up of 3 key KPIs: quality, production speed, as well as stock reliability. We work for the calculation of these scores on a weekly basis and make sure that our print providers align to this so that they can deliver the best possible experience. Next up is highest standards. We check our quality all the time, every time. As I mentioned, we measure our print providers' performance, and if we are even disappointed or worried about certain products, we even consider removing them from our catalog. We defined a quality standard from leading experts in the industry and define best practices that we use as foundations with our print providers' production setup. Next up is continuous improvement. We operate with the belief that everything can be better. Every print can be crisper, sharper, and amazing every time a customer receives it. We look at every component in the production process, starting from the sourced blank materials to the print equipment to the ink as well as the production setup. We are constantly aiming to raise the bar for you. And last but not least is delightful service. Of course, issues do happen, and when they do, we want you to be assured. Our merchant support agents are available around the clock, on chat, or via email. We also launched a chatbot called Snappy in order to answer some basic questions while our agents can handle some more tricky situations. I'm also proud to say that our support teams have a high satisfaction score. And all this work in quality is working. I'm really proud to say that our production times have substantially improved. In 2023, we shipped over 95% of our orders within 3 business days. And all this makes you happy as well as your customers happy. But we think we can do even better. We want to take our quality to the next level. So we're making a big investment. We're utilizing AI and computer vision in order to ensure you get a superb quality of service. Instead of reacting to reports, we can stop them from happening as fast as possible and live. So say hello to AIQC, Artificial Intelligence Quality Control, We believe it's the biggest innovation in the print-on-demand industry since its inception, a way to make every order faultless every time, a way to help you sleep better at night, knowing that customer issues are not going to be for quality reasons. A beautiful example of how human experts work with technology in order to give you the most beautiful experience. Now, let me tell you more about AIQC. AIQC combines cutting-edge hardware of vision camera, optics, powered with AI software. Multiple cameras see your apparel on the thread level. They can check thousands of threads at the same time, process multiple information, and within seconds, give you the evaluation of the quality of your product. This sort of hardware is typically seen in scientific research facilities, and recently, it's also been seen in retail contactless stores. And we are working to harness its power for your business. So I'm very excited to show you how AIQC works in action. And we're going to go back to Leah's designs to show an order and how it goes through AIQC. So let's have a look. When you go onto the orders page, you can see the order, and you can see AI quality control. When you click on the order with details, you can see that there is now an icon for AI quality approval. When you go into the details, you can actually see the order live in production. AI quality check makes 7 key checks for every single order that passes through. It checks the product attributes like brand, garment color, and garment size. It checks for the print position, such as the horizontal, vertical offsets, as well as the alignment. And last but not least, it checks the color accuracy. As you can see here on the screen, you will see every color is matched so that we ensure every order is flawless. Now, let's see how it works in the background. I'm going to take you back to the print provider's facility. So you can see here that after the printing process, the shirt goes through drying. And at the end of the dryer is where you can see the light box. Now, that light box is the AIQC device, which will now process this T-shirt. As I mentioned, the AIQC device takes thousands of images and processes them in order to come with an evaluation of the order. Here, you can see the AIQC in action. As you can see, it takes the attributes of the garment, such as garment detection, identifies the design, identifies the key colors, and then measures those colors against the design file. After that, the AIQC produces an outcome. And the outcome is either AIQC pass or fail. You can now see on the screen the operator at the shipping station. When the operator scans, they are welcomed with a screen that shows all the detections and the parameters of AIQC on the screen. As you can see here, for Leah's example, it passed AIQC. So you must be wondering, when can I use this? We're delighted to announce that AIQC is now live in beta version and already launched with select users. We have to continuously train the model, so we're constantly working to make improvements. We cannot make you any promises now, but please stay tuned. As soon as we know, we'll let you know. Thank you for the time to go through, and enjoy your session at Amplified.